We already discussed about a setting of the Google My Business. Okay, now we are in a home editing panel. Okay, My Business editing panel. Here, first we'll discuss what are the things we can do in a home tab. Here you can update. First thing we have to do here, first section, what are the requirement they are asking? That is nothing but update business hours. Okay, we'll update that one. Update. Here we already taken. We can go to a business hours, where it is business hour. Here add hours. Third option, add hours. We'll edit this one by using this pen. Edit. We say Sunday will be closed, Monday will be open. Okay, at what time it will start? We have to give that timing. Okay, we have to give that timing like 10 a.m. It will start to a 7 p.m. Okay, 7 p.m. it will close. Like this we can give the when it will open and when it will start. We have to turn on for all. Okay, I will not waste a time here by turning on all. Okay, we have to turn on all. Which hours you would like to say that one? Okay, you can turn on. If you are operating on a Saturday also, you can say Saturday also it will open. If you are saying that Sunday also it will open, you can say Sunday also it will be open. And you have to give the timing. Okay, at what time in a Saturday and at what time in a Sunday, like that we can give the timing. Different timings also you can give, and this timing will be shown in a this timing will be shown in a business page where they have been customer has been logged in at that particular page. Okay, this particular timings will be shown. Will complete anyhow 7. For example, Saturday you are closing early, you can say from 10 a.m. to we are closing by a 3 p.m. Okay, like this we can add all the hours. Then once you are added, then say apply. It will be updated in your business page. In home page, what it shows in home page, it will give you the recommendation what you can be done in your page. Okay, whatever the editing you would like to do, we have to do in a info only. We'll show that one. Okay, first thing here we have, it will show that how much yours completed, in the sense your profile has been completed, only 50% has been completed. Okay, what are the things to be done? Okay, it is not verified. So once you have been got that card verification code, once you get verification code, we have to say verify now. Okay, then we have to, it will get verified. And if you like to get your own business Gmail ID, in the sense mail ID with your business name at the rate bitaacademy.com, like that, if you like to get a mail with your business, you can go to that particular service. By paid service it will be, because it is linked with the G Suite. Okay, it will be paid service, around 800 to 900 rupees they will charge. Okay, and these things you will come to know that. Okay, you can download the app. Okay, Android app also you can download directly. No need to go to every time Google and search for your business. Directly in Android app itself you can manage your business also. And you can invite, add a manager to the business, in the sense you can invite someone, one who can manage your business also. You can check overview of the your page or business page can be checked in a home tab. Okay, we'll discuss in detail how to update all the information in next video.